crypto abbreviations wey we dey use again na CG. Dis CG means CoinGecko. CoinGecko sef just be like coin market cap, because dem dey always list all the whole coin, latest coin before dem even enter exchanges. E dey always dey dis CoinGecko. Yeah, just like coin market cap too, but e own na CoinGecko. But the little difference wey dey there be say, I no know, maybe e get some processes wey dem go pass through before dem go fit list those coin on CoinGecko, but dem dey pass through processes too on coin market cap. But little difference dey, but you go surely see all, like you fit see like 90% or 100% of coins on top coin market cap, while you fit see like 80 to 90% for CoinGecko. Na just little difference dey there. So if you come across CG sef means CoinGecko. You get, na places wey dem dey list all the whole coin before you even see am for exchanges. Dem go first dey all those places. I believe say you don learn new thing. Follow us for more crypto abbreviations. Thank you.